Hi, my name is Justin Swanhart. I'm the creator of LeapDB, and today we're going to talk about change data capture. Change data capture is a fundamental part of LeapDB. It is how the binary log is processed, and LeapDB understands what changes have been made to what tables so that it can update the materialized views efficiently, incrementally, rather than having to rebuild them from scratch each time. So I'm going to show you how change data capture works in LeapDB. So I have a LeapDB database running, and I already actually ran through all the commands. I'm just going to narrate over top of them as I play them back with this program called TTY Play. Okay. So first thing I do is connect to MySQL. I then create a test database. I use it, and I create a table called T1, and it's only got one column, C1, and that's what we're going to use to demonstrate how change data capture works. Next, I need a materialized view log on test.t1. This is a table that records the changes that have been made to the T1 table so that they can be applied to materialized views later on. The show materialized view logs command shows what materialized view logs there are in a particular database. And here I select from the materialized view log. There aren't any rows yet because I haven't done anything with the table since I created the materialized view log. So now I insert another row in the table. You can see that there's a DML type that's going to be either a 1 or a -1 depending on whether it's an insert or a delete. And updates are represented by deletes followed by inserts. So here's the delete. You can see it's a -1. The FV $GSN column is the generic sequence number. That's the order in which the operations happened in the table. Remember, InnoDB can return rows in random order, so here we see they're not ordered by the FVGSN by default. Now I've updated some rows, and I want to see the update itself, just the update. So the unit of work ID is the transaction ID that's assigned to each transaction. As you can see, there's a DML type, a unit of work ID, a server ID, a global sequence number, and the actual columns from the table. Each column in the table will be represented in the log from that point. So I hope you've seen how change data capture works in Leap CDC. You can, which is part of LeapDB. You can start using LeapDB by going to our website www.leapdb.com and signing up to be a beta customer. Thank you very much. Have a good day.